Hey guys, we're doing this handheld today because I already did one, but the new microphone was apparently not quite plugged in tight enough, so I was only getting left channel audio. Well, we're going to do a different video today then, because the one I did was kind of boring. Anyway, we're going to move around a little bit and look at some new stuff. We're going to look at my new camera, and I'm going to talk about the microphone. So, we're going to do the microphone first. I'm trying to frame myself here. The microphone is a Rode VideoMic Go. That is, it is kind of the entry-level Rode. It's still not cheap, but it's not as expensive as the VideoMic Pro that you see everyone using. It doesn't have a battery or anything. So, that's number one. New microphone, which I think is in stereo now. So, good news! Kind of wish the first video had worked, though, but that's life. Secondly, we're going to look at my new camera. This is a camera for carrying around every day because it is not heavy and the lenses aren't giant. So, I'll flip this screen around so I can see, and that is my new camera. Adjust the lighting a little. It is a Fujifilm X100T. So, the reason I bought this camera isn't because it's better. I'm trying to adjust the light compensation here. I didn't buy the Fuji because it's better than the Canon. What you're watching on right now and what I shoot most of my photography with is a 70D Canon, and it's fantastic. But it's heavy, and the lenses I use are quite large. In fact, my macro and telephoto lenses are bigger than the entire Fuji camera. So, the reason why I purchased the Fuji, which I'm going to set back down now, the reason why I bought the Fuji is, because, well, I like Fuji. I think Fuji is a very neat company. They're Japanese, but they make old school, almost Leica-esque cameras, for those of you who know what Leicas are. But enough about photography, most of you probably don't care that much. Just wanted to fill you in on new updates in my life. Tomorrow I have a presentation for one of my classes, and it also turns out tomorrow is the last day of lectures. I didn't even know. So I have a final in one class, but it's take-home, and a presentation in the other. And when that presentation is done, I'm almost finished with that class. I just have a tiny bit of homework, and then I'm free. Free being an operative term in graduate school, but free-ish. No classes for the summer. I do have research, though. So, you know, that's good news. Good things are happening there. So, yeah, that's it. New camera, new microphone for this camera, which, the new microphone is probably a lot more important to all of you kind viewers. The new camera is just important to me, because it's something fun that changes my perspective on what I want to shoot when I carry my camera, which, for that one, I can carry it all the time. So, it is the evening here. Might be the evening where you are. Regardless, as always, have a nice evening.